Next, here are our agenda for today's presentation. So first of all, we will talk about introduction of machine learning. Next is type of machine learning. Third is advantages of machine learning. Fourth is examples of machine learning. And last will be the summary of machine learning. First of all, why is machine learning? Machine learning is a research area of AI that enables computers to learn and improve from large data sets without being explicitly programmed. To help you guys to understand this better, in simple words, machine learning is a way for computers to learn from experience. It's actually very similar to how we as a human learn. One of the simplest example is how we, as a kid, we learn how to read and write alphabets. So that's and eventually it's become easier for us to read and write. And that is one of the things that applies to machine learning. The first type of machine learning is supervised learning. Supervised learning is where computers learn to make predictions based on labeled datasets to understand between input and output data. This is where we provide detailed labeled datasets to computers, and so that they can analyze and help us to make decisions or predictions. The second one is unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is a task-driven learning where computers discover hidden patterns and structures in unlabeled data. Lastly is reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is where computers learn to make decisions by interacting with an environment and receiving rewards or penalties. Moreover, I would like to share about advantages of machine learning. In this presentation, I would like to share about three major advantages of machine learning, which is enhanced security, empower global communication, and personalized user experience. One of the biggest advantages of machine learning is enhanced security. Machine learning models can analyze huge amounts of data and quickly spot unusual patterns or anomalies that humans might miss. This helps organizations detect fraud in areas like banking and e-commerce. On top of that, machine learning powers advanced authentication systems, such as facial recognition and biometrics, making security both stronger and more convenient. Another major advantage of machine learning is that it personalizes the user experience. For example, platforms like Netflix, Spotify, or online shopping use machine learning to recommend movies, songs, or products that match our personal tastes. This not only makes the experience more enjoyable, but also increases customer satisfaction. Even in advertising, it helps companies show us ads that are more relevant to our interests instead of random promotions. Lastly, machine learning empowers global communications. With tools like real-time language translation, people can now communicate across different languages instantly. This helps break down cultural and language barriers that used to limit collaboration. By enabling smoother international communication, machine learning brings people closer together and makes global collaboration much easier.
The example that is very prevalent in today's usage of machine learning is actually by recommendation systems in various apps such as Netflix and Spotify, in which they analyze a certain pattern and also certain keywords that would attract the personal user's attention. Other than that, there are also self-driving cars that implement neural networks that basically scan the area around the car, and it identifies obstacles and objects that might be in the way of the car while reversing. So this helps the driver to better park. Not only that, but most of our smartphones these days actually use machine learning, such as CNN, to scan and recognizes faces to unlock phones. Not only that, it's also implemented in CCTV so people can identify when there is a burglary or theft. Lastly, another example of machine learning is also by using machine learning in spam email filtering. Machine learning systems can identify keywords and also patterns from the metadata that they have in the catalog to identify which emails is most likely spam and which emails are not.
All in all, machine learning has significantly impacted human life by personalizing experiences by recommendation systems, enhancing communication with the existence of translation apps, and improving decision making. Nowadays, many view machine learning as harmful to the environment since it empowers AI. However, users should focus on leveraging AI to ensure a better future. That's all from us. Thank you.